Okay, when it comes to this one, guys, the continuation of 7-2, geometry. So when it comes to this part right here, we're going to use the proportions idea, the similarity statement and proportions to go out and figure out missing sides, okay? So in the diagram, we're going to go ACDF is similar to VWYZ, okay? So let me come in here and it's kind of, the way they gave us these is kind of to make us think, if you think about it. It's usually A, B, C, D, and X, Y, you know, in order, nice and neat. But they're making a thing. So AC goes to VW. AC goes to VW. Okay, so that top and that bottom go together. Okay, I can see that. CD goes with WY. CD, WY. CD, WY. Okay. So I was thinking that one goes with this one, but you're right. These two go together. Okay. So then that means these two go together, and then these two go together. So that's it. It's the key of reading this. It lets you be able to understand how they're comparing them. You understand that? So AC goes with VW here, and then CD goes with WY here. CD, WY. Now, when it's asking you to compare these things, guys, you have to have a key. What do you mean? You have to have the idea of proportions here to solve it. You basically want one equal fraction equal to another one, like 1/2 is equal to 2/4, right? Once you have this one set up, it tells you how to set up this next one. Well, what do you mean? So I'm going to go small to big numbers. You see that? So I set up the small number on top, the bigger number on the bottom. That's it. If I were to set it up as big number on top and small number on the bottom, that would work. All right? It's still the same thing-ish. Okay? So what we're going to do here, we're going to use this to unlock how to solve for the x and how to solve for the y. The one I'm going to use, as I was comparing AC, you see AC and VW, they don't have anything in common. But I do see that CD, you see C to D, W to Y, W to Y. You see that right there? That gives me a comparison number. 9 becomes a 6. So I'm going to set that up, 9 to 6. See that? Now, when I have this CD over WY, when I set up the other one, I'm going to have one of these on top. Okay? And then one of these on the bottom, because that's the way I set this one up. Okay? So the figure that we started off with here was from the CD figure. The one we set up at the bottom was from the WY figure, so then it goes on the bottom, and it's going to stay on the bottom. Okay? This one stays on the top, this one stays on the top. So I want you to this much. In the STAR test, they're going to ask you which proportion could you use. If you automatically know that you have CD stuff on top, all the others you compare better have, I guess, vertices and numbers from this one right here on top. This one better be all the ones that are on the bottom. Sometimes they're going to switch them around you and they're going to mess you all up. Okay, and you can't do that. You can't have one set up with a CD on top and then the other one with the CD on the bottom. No, it doesn't work with that. You have to keep them consistent. Since we set it up like this, all of the, I guess, vertices and combinations of side lengths from here go on top. Then these all go on the bottom. And that's it. So let's look at this. So we figured out 9 goes to 6. So I would set it up as 9 goes to 6. Now, 9, you see this one, is from this top one up here. 6 is from that bottom one down here. So I'll go from the big one to the small one. Now, I'm going to look, which one would I want to find next, guys? I would want to find that x. So put x here. And x corresponds to which one? The 10 down here, right? There it goes. And if you want to use this over here, 10 is between what? F and D? Okay, F and D are these two right here. So then I would have what? Z and Y? Where is Z and Y? Oh yeah, so 10 works out. Okay? Cross multiply here, you can find the x now. I would multiply these two, 90 is equal to 6x. And that's what they did here. Divided by 6, and we got x to be 15. Now, how are we going to find the y? Guess what we're going to do now? we're going to keep that same comparison of the 9 and the 6. You got that? Same 9 and 6. Remember, this is from that A, B, C, A, C, D, F one, and then over the V, W, Y, Z one. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to know, okay, I want to figure out this one. I know that one is the stuff on the bottom, so I'll set it down here. 3y minus 1. V, Z. V, Z. See that? Is the same thing as AF. So where's AF over here? As 12. And there it is. Or VZ. AF. And there we go. Rocking and rolling. Okay, going once, going twice. How do I solve that one, guys? How do I solve this one right here? Cross multiply. Okay, this is a TSI level question right here. Multiply these two, then do the work. So this will become 6 times 12 is equal to 9 times 3y minus 1. It becomes 72 is equal to 27y minus 9. Add 9, cancels out here. We're going to go with 81 is equal to 27y. Divide by 27, divide by 27. I'm going to say this is y. The 7s, guys, into 1 is a 3, right? 3 times 7 is 21, and 22. Yeah, that's it. There's my answer. Okay, so remember, I got 9 from the CD going to W1. All these are from this polygon. All of these are from that polygon. Let's see what the book finished doing. So now to find y, oh, is that the same thing we set up? Same ratio, 9 to 6. And we had that 6 coming from this figure. So we got that 3y minus 1 from this figure. And that one corresponded to that 12 over here. And then we did the cross multiplication. Same thing they did, same thing we do. All right, here we go. Let's practice this one. Whoa. Oh, busted. Jeez. Okay, so let's look at this one quick. JLM is similar to QST. JLM. Okay. Is Q. Yeah, it works out. See how they went from 1 to the unmarked one? 1 to unmarked one. Okay. So yeah. So now we got to come out here, and this was a really good question here. I like this one. Now, this right here gives you everything you need. So since that one came first, anytime I come out here and set up my proportion, I'm going to go ahead and label anything from the top of the fractions to be from this triangle. Okay? So I'm going to look at the one that helps me out is the one that has numbers. See, I see a good number here. I can't use these yet. All I got to do now is figure out JM. Which one does this one correspond to JM? It's from 1 to 2, okay? From 1 to 2, so it's this one. Okay, so I'm going to go 4 over 2. Did you see that? If you don't like that, then you can use it over here. J to M. You see that? I figured out J to M has the number 4. And I had to get the key. Which does this 4 correspond to? The 2, the 3, the 5. Well, in my opinion, I'm just going to look at this from 1 to 2, from 1 to 2, and there it is. It's that one. Over here, it's J to M, so it's Q to S. J to M, Q to S. Oh, wait, Q to T. Yeah, Q to T. And let's see, yeah, that is Q to T. Now, which one do you want to figure out next, the X or the Y? Since they're asking the X first, I'm going to set up the X first. Since X is on this side / on this top one, I'm going to go ahead and say X is right here, 6X minus 3. And I'll go from M to L. Now look at this. M to L is right here, so I'm going to go back the same way. T to S. Where's T to S? T to S is 3. Now from M to L, I went from a 2 to the unmarked 3 one. From the 2 to the unmarked 3. So 6x minus 3, yes, corresponds to 3. Perfect. Basic right here. It's really easy here. Flip this one up, cross multiply, divide, bat and ball. So I'll multiply these two right here, and I'll get 2 times 6x minus 3. Over here, I'm going to say it's equal to 4 times 3, which is 12. And then here I have 12x minus 6. Add 6, add 6, cancels out here. We're going to go 12x is equal to 18. Yeah, it works. What else? Now, divide by 12. Divide by 12, cancels out here. X is equal to by 6, right? Divide by 6, divide by 6. 3 over 2, 1.5, I think. I think it said 1.5. Yeah, we got it right. Okay, next one is try it. Again, use the same key. The key was the one that had the numbers. Okay, they have to give you some kind of, it's like the guideline, how it changed. That one gives us the key. They look in as far as how did it change. So again, I'm going to set it up since this one came first. Honestly, you can set it up any way you want. JM, JLM to QST. This one I'm going to go with 4 goes to 2. I'm going to reestablish that already and mark that off over here. The one I want to figure out is the Y. Remember, Y comes from this one here. Okay, I'm going to go with JM. Remember, JM goes JM, JM, QT. Corresponds to which one over here? The Y, right? Okay, we're going to go with JL. JL here, QS. QS is 5 over here. Okay, JL would be 3Y minus 2. Just FYI, double check it. Okay, JL from 1 to the unmarked 3. From 1 to the unmarked 3, 5. Yeah, it makes sense. It looks good to me. JL, QS, QS, JL. So cross multiply and divide now. This right here would give you what? 4 times 5. This right here would give you 2 times 3y minus 2. So we're going to go with 6y minus 4 is equal to 20. We're going to add 4, add 4. 6y is equal to 24. Divide by 6, divide by 6. Y is equal to 4. Let's see if we got it right. Boom! Okay, we'll call it quits there. All right? I think you'll have enough time to do an assignment now. It's pretty easy, guys, the assignment. Oh, 13-minute video. Okay, you have an assignment, guys, on Alex. It's going to be called 7/2. And I'll put enjoy.